Oh my gosh, I'm battling the second person. Mega Evolution time. Mega Evolution time. If I can press on it. Okay, Mega Evolution time. Mega Evolution. Mega Evolution! Now I'm just gonna show this off and close combat. I don't care, I can still use close combat. Die. He died. Klefki fainted. The opponent, Klefki, fainted. Okay, well, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah.